We are taking down the Westbound Widget. We're going to solve. It says include all decimals. Hopefully I made them nice. That'd be really mean if they were not so nice. So basically I tried to type fractions into Schoology, but it's not always the most friendly. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite these. This would be 1/3 x equals a -8. This would be 3/4 y equals a 15. And this would be an 8/3 z equaling 15. All right. So the only way to get rid of a fraction is to multiply by the reciprocal, because technically a fraction is both a multiplication and a division connection at the same time. So what you can do is you can use the reciprocal to wax out both the top and the bottom number. Now when it's a 1, you don't really need the 1. 3/1. Don't need it, but it's there for show. To get rid of a 3/4, you'd multiply by 4/3. So I'm going to take u times 4/3. Notice I wrote it kind of funny, because when you multiply a whole number times a fraction, the whole number becomes a fraction and multiply straight across. So I kind of set myself up to have it line up right there. Now, stay on my toes here. Do I have any negatives? No, I don't. If any of these were negative, like if this was a -3/4, I'd have to use a -4/3. So not only do I want to cancel the fraction, but I also want to cancel the negative if that were the case. But all three of our coefficient fractions are positive, so we don't need to worry about that right now. I'm going to take u times a 3/8. I'm going to take u times a 3/8. Notice I'm kind of cheating a little bit. Okay, I'm kind of making sure my whole number and my fraction line up to be nice when I actually do my multiplication. So what was the whole goal? 3 times 1/3 cancels. 4/3 times 3/4 cancels. 3/8 times 8/3 cancels. Okay, there we go. So x is going to be a -8 times 3. I think that's going to be a -24. Okay, cool. 15 times 4/3. Let's see what u is. Here we go. 15 times 4/3. Hey, it's 20. Okay, good. Should have done that in my head. Okay. 15 divided by 3. 15 over 3 is a 5. So u and u would have canceled. 5 times 4, 20. Here you go. All right, what we got here? Ooh, 15 times 3/8. Ew. 15 times 3/8. Ew. It says include all decimals. That's not that bad. Z is going to be 5.625. There we go. Pretty sure I made this work out. We're not going to get super crazy, awesomely bad decimals. That's not too shabby. All right, so again, how do you get rid of a 1/3? A regular 3. 3/4, you use 4/3. 8/3, you use 3/8. Okay. Reciprocal is the magic word, also known as the multiplicative inverse. Ooh, that's got a lot of syllables. Makes me sound smart when I say it. All right, that is the Westbound Widget, and we're all done.